Welcome to our channel. Before we dive into the detailed review of the WOWNOVA 8-inch LCD screen for inside your PC case, please note that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment below. This handy screen is designed for PC enthusiasts and builders who want real-time monitoring of their system's vital stats without relying on bulky external monitors or software overlays. The WOWNOVA 8-inch LCD screen is an upgraded sensor panel that easily installs inside your PC case, offering a sleek and functional display of CPU, GPU, RAM usage, temperature, FPS, and HDD data. One of the standout features is its simple setup. Just one cable connection via USB-C or a 9-pin cable, eliminating the need for HDMI or external power sources. This makes installation clean and efficient, especially since it can draw power directly from a USB header inside the case. A new highlight is the addition of a desktop display mode, allowing the screen to function as an extended monitor. This flexibility turns the panel into more than just a sensor display. You can customize it to show dynamic video themes or even use it as a secondary workspace. The IPS full view panel offers great viewing angles with a sharp resolution of 1280 by 800 on a 7.52 by 4.59-inch aluminum housing, giving it a premium feel. Customization is another key strength. The software, developed by WOWNOVA, supports dynamic videos and image UI, and allows you to drag and drop elements to design your own screen layout. The themes are continuously updated by professional artists, ensuring fresh and visually appealing options. Additionally, features like auto start, brightness adjustment, and comfortable eye protection make it user-friendly and energy efficient. On the downside, the screen is currently compatible only with Windows 10 and 11, which may limit users on other operating systems. Also, while the software is feature-rich, some users might find the customization options a bit overwhelming at first, requiring a bit of a learning curve. Lastly, the 8-inch size, while perfect for inside the case, might be small for those wanting a larger extended desktop experience. In summary, the WOWNOVA 8-inch LCD screen is an excellent choice for PC builders and gamers who want a neat, integrated way to monitor their system's performance and add a touch of personalization to their rig. The easy one-cable setup, extended desktop mode, and continuous theme updates make it a versatile and stylish addition to any desktop. Don't forget, the link to grab this product at a discount is pinned in the first comment below, so be sure to check it out. Pros: easy one-cable installation, USB-C or 9-pin. Supports extended desktop mode. High-resolution IPS display with great viewing angles. Customizable dynamic video themes and layouts. Continuous theme updates, and strong customer support. Energy-saving features and eye protection. Cons: Windows 10-11 only compatibility. Small screen size for extended desktop use. Customization software may require some time to master. Remember to check the pinned comment for the discounted purchase link before you go.